Hi everyone, it's Tracy from Downward Dog Rising. If you have a Pilates chair, it could be the Wenda chair, W-E-N-D-A, the Wenda chair, or it could be the Pilates split pedal combo chair. The split pedal combo chair is just that, the pedal splits into two halves, and then you have handles so you're assisted to do standing work. Today, you don't need to have the standing split pedal chair. It's totally fine to have an exo chair or the like. What I want you to do is take either a yoga block, a foam roller, or a moon box that we use in Pilates. So this provides a great modification tool to make this exercise closed chain so your foot isn't dangling in the air. I want you to take, you could either have your front knee flush at the edge of the chair, so the back of the knee is right at the edge. Excuse me, I'm losing my voice. I taught a lot yesterday, so that happens when I talk too much. Sorry. So we have our leg at the edge of the chair, and then we're gonna put our leg here, so either or. I'm mixing exercises. You don't need your chair, you don't need the block for this one. You just put your foot flat on the ground. Your legs are like in a turned out position. You stretch your arms to the sides of your body, so elbows in line with ears. And then I want you to elongate the spine, and you're making sure you don't do that. You don't want to lift your sitz bone off the chair. So I want you to just stretch up out of your center, come back. Feel this elongation of your side line. Go to the side, come back up, reach through top of head, 5. Warming up your sides of your waist, 4. Keep the elongation in your spine. Rise up in order to go over. 2 more. Sitz bones stay on chair. Last one. Now we're going to take this hand. You don't want it to be the fingertips. Try to go to your palms. Take a really deep inhale. Feel ribs and hips separate. Now exhale. Support your spine, your lumbar spine, as you press against the pedal. So we're doing our side arm sit, our mermaid. Exhale, press. Exhale, press. 4, deep exhale. 3, 2 more, and last one. I'm getting ready to drive 94 miles to work today, so I just thought I would do a video before work because when I get home I'm too tired. So we're just going to take our arm behind our head, reach across the center line of your body, reach to the opposite side of your knee. Now we counter stretch these ribs. We have intercostals, the muscles between our ribs, and we just stretch the other way. Inhale and then exhale. Open that side. You could even press against that thigh there, not on the knee, on the thigh. Couple more. 4 and 3. 2 more. And last one. And then we just turn around. Again, you're either going to you have one leg touching the ground, and then this other knee hangs flush at the edge of the chair, or you could fold the leg in, and then what you do, we're starting over, your hips are squared to the front, your shoulders are squared. What I want you to do is just keep your elbows to the sides of your earlobes, so you're not pulling your head and neck down like that. That's a common mistake I see all the time. That'll irritate your cervical spine, your neck. Elevate up to top of head. Keep sitz bones on top of chair. We inhale and then we exhale, come back up. First we create length and space between our vertebrae. We elongate our spine, axial elongation. Inhale, exhale, get those ribs to open apart. And 3. Inhale, open your ribs. Exhale, come back up. 2. Inhale, ribs apart. On the last one, we reverse the breath to support lumbar spine. Take a deep inhale, lengthen up. Palm comes down making sure that your sitz bone doesn't come up off chair. Open your side line, decompress spine, exhale, inhale. Notice how my sitz bone stays on chair. I'm not lifting off the chair. Otherwise, if you lift, you're compressing your back, and that's the whole thing we're trying to avoid. We're trying to open it up, create length, decompress. 4. It feels really good to open your side. 3. 2 more. On the last one, I want you to elevate, lift, 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 up. Take that hand, reach all the way over to this side. Now elevate this arm again. You could even push into your thigh, elevate, counter. Now open those lower ribs off your hip bones, stretch. Side lateral flexion, spinal flexion for your low back and your ribs to open. Side lateral flexion feels really good to elongate our side lines, open up space for our spine. And 4 and 3, focus on the up, then the over. 2 more. And last one. So side arm sit, mermaid or a version of mermaid on the Pilates chair. I hope you like this tutorial. You have yourselves a great rest of your morning, afternoon, or evening. Peace, everyone. If you like my channel, please hit share, like, or subscribe. Appreciate you so much. Bye. See you soon. Take care. Whoops, I'm losing it.